Hey guys, and welcome to the second part of Top Excel Hacks. And in this session, I'm going to show you how to use Vlookup function in Excel. Let's see together. This is my database and I want to use Vlookup function to find the salary of each person. Equal Vlookup, open parenthesis, then lookup value. This one is lookup value, comma, and then table array. I'm going to select the table, press F4, comma. Let's see which column is it. Number 1, number 2, 3, 4. Type here 4, comma. Choose the false one, close it, hit enter. Let's see, this is Karima and the salary of Karima is 13,000. And how to find the position? Do it one more time. I'm gonna just copy this formula, Ctrl C, and now put the cursor in position. In formula bar, press Ctrl V and just change this one into, this was number 4 and number 3. Hit enter. Yes, take a look. Karima, manager, the salary is 13,000. And if I change the name, like I'm gonna change it to Halima, chef, 7,600. And this was how to use Vlookup function in Excel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please smash the subscribe button and do not miss our next videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Good luck.